Welcome back to LGS Cars. Get ready to dive into the ultimate combination of luxury, performance, and groundbreaking innovation as we uncover the 2025 Ferrari Purosangue. Ferrari's first-ever SUV isn't just a game-changer. It's a bold statement that redefines what a high-performance luxury SUV should be. The Purosangue, meaning pure blood in Italian, embodies the perfect balance of Ferrari's racing DNA with the practicality of an SUV, delivering an unmatched driving experience for enthusiasts and families alike. Sculpted elegance with aerodynamic precision. The 2025 Ferrari Purosangue is an SUV unlike any other, blending aggressive lines and muscular curves with Ferrari's signature design language. From the aerodynamic front grille to the sleek roofline and signature quad tailpipes, every inch of this car screams Ferrari, finished with an optional carbon fiber package and 22-inch wheels up front, 23-inch at the rear. It's the epitome of bold sophistication. Power that defines Ferrari. Under the hood, the Purosangue roars with a 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12 engine, delivering a staggering 725 horsepower and 716 Newton-meters of torque. Paired with an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, this SUV sprints from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.3 seconds and hits a top speed of over 310 kilometers per hour. Whether you're cruising down the highway or tearing through a racetrack, the Purosangue performs like no other SUV on the market. Luxurious and futuristic interior inside, Ferrari has crafted a cabin that marries luxury with cutting-edge technology. Featuring 4 individual seats, the Purosangue boasts premium leather, carbon fiber accents, and the finest craftsmanship. The cockpit is packed with digital displays, a premium sound system, and customizable ambient lighting, creating a space that's both driver-focused and family-friendly. State-of-the-art tech and safety features. The 2025 Purosangue isn't just about raw power. It's equipped with the latest technology for maximum comfort and safety. Highlights include adaptive suspension system for unparalleled ride quality, Ferrari Dynamic Enhancer, FDE, to optimize cornering performance, advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, for added security on the road. A new era for Ferrari. The Ferrari Purosangue 2025 isn't just an SUV. It's Ferrari's bold step into a new segment while staying true to its roots. With the perfect mix of luxury, practicality, and unrivaled performance, the Purosangue proves that you really can have it all. For those seeking a family car with supercar performance or simply the ultimate status symbol, the Purosangue delivers in every way possible. Stay tuned to LGS Cars for more exciting reviews and let us know in the comments, what do you think of Ferrari's game-changing SUV? Would you add the Purosangue to your dream garage?